Christmas travel vlog, chapter 1.
Millie, are we doing it? We're only teething and a little bit sick. Yeah.
Are we,
back?
are we going on 2 airplanes?
Yeah.
And we have 800 bags, but not enough bags, and a stroller. And how is this gonna? Pray
for us.
Are we ready to go fly? Stroller in tow. Millie, are you ready for small airplanes and snow? What's happening?
Watch cats and dogs. Look, watch Clifford. Good job.
Millie, are you renting the cars? Millie, are we renting cars? Are you signing on the dotted line? Hello. We are in Casper, Wyoming after a long day of travel, but only 2 very, very short 1-hour flights.
The whole thing only took 9 hours.
Yeah. How do you feel about life, the universe, and all in between?
When I got here and she was panicking and starving and tired, not that great.
Angel, are we so tired after a long day of traveling? Do we just need some pre-nap Mrs. Rachel? Sylvia experiencing snow for the first time.
You say that the last 5 times.
The last 1 times. We are getting ready to drive into the mountains. Do you want to go do a shot of tequila? And
7 shots.
Millie, do you want to go to the bar?
What's the drinking age in Wyoming?
It's not whatever you want it to be?
No. That's such a good job.
Oh, Millie, are you walking in your new boots?
It's the shiniest boots there ever were.
Are we snowing?
Can you catch a snowflake?
Oh, no. Millie. Millie. Millie.
Millie, we can move.
Emul. Oh. So we are excited to go hunt moose.
All the moose. The mooses.
We're gonna go hunt the mooses now.
Still have my tea though. Oh, my legs are cold.
It's minus 10 Fahrenheit, so that is minus 23 Celsius.
I checked the tea at home.
You are fucked. Sylvia has gone on a solo excursion of the bladder emergency kind. Sylvia! I don't think you need to go further away. There's a mountain line behind you. Success? Did you experience the outdoors fully?
Fuck you, why is that part of the vlog?
It's minus 40 Celsius and Fahrenheit, because apparently at minus 40 Celsius and Fahrenheit becomes the same. Fun fact. And it's so dry you can't make a snowball or anything. And you can see the crystallized air.
I can't wear glasses at all. And if faktisk dejligt at være ude, altså hvis man er klædt.
No such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing.
Well, I have double.
Can I slide and make like, look, I can do like a dolly pan if I slide on the ice.
Amelia staying with her cousin.
While we go explore the bright outside.
These are the most insulated gloves, and my fingertips are frozen.
Minus 40 Fahrenheit and minus 40 Celsius like an hour ago. Now it's warmed up to minus 25. So Sylvia was like, okay, now we can go for a walk. I went out for a 3-mile walk with my sister at minus 40 and it was wonderful.
I think minus anything is hot. I don't care what the number is. If it's the word minus is in it. Oh, you were like,
Because?
but not as much as your eyebrows.
It's the Polar Express.
You have icicles just growing on your mouth.
It's healthy.
Is it?
It's a sign of healthy icicles.
Okay. And you have only like on your beanie right there on the right side.
You're taking pictures of the icicles. Do you want to go to the bar?
Yeah, old-fashioned, sneaky old-fashioned in the middle of the night would be fun.
I don't think this is the place for an old fashioned, but Millie, is it Christmas for Millie? Millie, hot?
It's very hot.
Hot. Oh, hot.
You blow on it? Yeah. You blow on your finger when it gets too hot like this?
Ooh, good job.
It's hot. Remote in here.
Millie, can we wrap the remote again and give it to you?
Yeah. Can we put the remote in here?
Look like this. It's like a little bag.
Where's Millie's remote? Where's the remote? Oh, surprise, surprise. Is it just as
Oh my goodness! Is it the best Christmas present ever?
Did you get a remote? Did you? Peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Come on, I'll just stand here. Okay, maybe not then. That was pretty good. Millie. Oh, he's not.
I remember the formations, of course, are there.
Are you ready to explore Snow Rock?
So normally you're able to just hike up if you wanted to
I think we can.
in the summer.
Hey, can I go?
Look at that landscape. Not bad. Apparently there's a ton of mountain lions here. Hey kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey kitty, kitty, kitty. It's no longer as cold as it was. It's still fucking cold. It's not as cold.
It could act as a shelter, but you might not want to.
There's a lot of bunny tracks going into it.
Go ahead, Adam.
Shaking like a 60-year-old man with a stick up his ass.
Look at this fucking pussy.
Yo, you're also wearing freaking gloves.
That's cold?
Yeah.
Oh, killed it! Fucking impressive. Good for you. You're a professional.
Got eyes like a bat.
You're ready to join SWAT tomorrow, and I can't hear anything right now.
I bet.
It is Christmas Eve, and we're playing Uno, which is the dumbest card game ever invented. And Millie's in charge.
He probably didn't see him. He'll just.
Millie, do you want to play cards? Hi. Oh.
Go back on his footage and be like, "How did I not win?" It's your turn.
Oh. Okay. That's
Shitty cards.
Does it record voice?
Of course. I know what I'm gonna do.
Which color?
Yeah, that's a good question.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Blue. 2 ducks. The gravy with all the duck drippings, the necks, the livers, the hearts, the skin. The last 5 minutes of Operation Duck Duck. Christmas dinner is almost done. We have gravy done. We have red cabbage done, most important. And we have ducks done. And we have Quincy Poo.
Is this the most interesting part of the cooking? To just...
I thought we had enough stuff in the salad.
Yeah. This is the last item.
Millie, are you ready for Christmas dinner? Millie! Hi, Nosy. Millie's Christmas. Oh my God, Millie, what did you get for the second time?
Third time.
Look at her.
Third time. It's amazing. Yay!
She's like, wait, I
Is that so soft?
Do we need to wrap all the presents one more time for little Millie? Oh my goodness.
Alright, toss me my phone back.
I wonder if the presents next year will last under the tree. Or she'll just like start opening
Hi, Mon.
them.
Millie, can we wrap? Can we wrap everything again for you?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's so soft. So soft.
You don't care about it,
Yeah, I mean,
leaving in the middle of the night in snowstorm with ice and snow and ice on the road. How do you feel about that?
I'm good. Filming it doesn't make it better.
The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. All right. 3 hours through this. Go, go.
Go.
Another pit stop. It's a giant, enormous, huge frozen lake. Road conditions excellent. I prepaid for the gas so we could return the car with empty tank. We have 6 miles left and we are pulling up.
Continue straight to stay on Airport Parkway.
Well, for us. Well,
Say-
actually, no, it was like a heart attack the whole time.
Say bye-bye.
Turn left onto Airport Parkway,
Bye-bye.
Gooder Avenue.
It's so pretty.
Oh, you know those really big ice cubes you get in bars? Well, here you get them for free when you leave the water in the car overnight in minus 40 degrees.
It has been minus 40 for 3 days.
Do you want more water?
Glacier.
Do you think it's cold?
Probably.
Buy rental car, buy Wyoming.
We'll be back.
Back to sunny California. Bye.
We'll never complain about it.
Right.